Hello guys, this is Shoaib from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox gas calibration kit. This calibration kit is used for calibrating the gas detectors. So let's do this unboxing and let's find what we get inside the box. So first we have the regulator. All the details of regulator is mentioned. 0.5 liter per minute. So this is the regulator. So this is the CalGaz made in USA gas cylinder carry kit. It is made of very fine APC material. So in the box, first we get the certificate of composition by Bristol gases, and all the details of the gas cylinder is mentioned. Hydrogen sulfide, order value, carbon monoxide, methane, oxygen, traceability, its approximate gas volume. So everything is mentioned in the certificate of composition by Bristol gases. So this is the calibration cylinder. It contains hydrogen sulfides, carbon monoxide, methane, oxygen, and nitrogen. Its certificate number, its cylinder number, its item number is mentioned here. This cylinder is made in UAE. As you can see, all the details are mentioned. So if you want this item, or you have queries of regarding gas detectors, instrumentation item, festo equipment, SNC equipment, you may contact on the below mentioned email address. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.